We have now come to a stage where we have identified our own expertise and also found the prospects to whom we can offer it. We know the parties, companies, and individuals to whom we need to prove our worth. We need to know our customers even better than they know themselves. Only then will we be able to offer winning solutions. To this end, we need ever better information about the customer, their industry, and the applicable legislation, their customers, and their competitors. We need to know the customer's position in the market, their development outlook, ongoing processes, and much more. In other words, we need to know everything there is to know about them. All this information is collected, managed, processed, and refined in BSM. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.